This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear up some memory on your Android phone so your phone is a little bit quicker. So if you go to this little thing right here where you can see all these different applications open, we can go all the way to the left on some devices and clear it out right there, but we can just go to close all and we can close all our apps. And that should free up some memory space too. But we can go to settings, scroll on down to device care. So we'll look for device care, here it is, tap that. Then go to memory right here so you can see how much is used and how much is free. So we can just go to check, and this will allow us to clean up some memory space right here just by tapping clean now. And should close some of these applications in the background too. So you can see I closed it all in the background before, and there's some applications still up, and you can see I have more memory available for me now. Now if you clean up the memory, right here I have an option called RAM Plus. You might have this option on your phone, which is very convenient. So I was able to go from 2 gigabytes of memory up to 4 gigabytes. And on some other devices, you might see a larger jump. So on one of the devices I had, I think I was able to go up to like 8 gigabytes or something like that. But if you have a low-end model phone like this A16 from Samsung, that's a big difference between 2 and 4 gigabytes. So you can see I'm only operating at about 2.5 gigabytes. So my phone would have been hitting that maximum already just with the available memory space I have. So definitely look into RAM Plus and enable that and clean up your background apps by just closing them right there. And if you see all these apps open, what you could do is scroll on down from the top right and go to settings, go all the way down to about phone, and go to build number and tap it 5 times to unlock developer options. Now on my Samsung phone, I'm going to go to software information. Here's build number, tap it 5 times, unlock develop mode, and then my develop mode is located right here. Yours might be under system. Tap developer options and go to running services. Should be right here. And then you can just close down background apps through here as well. So if they keep popping up and they're super stubborn, you can just close them under this section. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.